Welcome everyone to History Bites. My name is Amar Agung Kurniawan and I'm the host of the show where we will talk about a lot of things concerning history. And today we have a wonderful guest. His name is Ahmad Nugraha Ramadhani.
Hello.
And he is the CEO, I should say. He
Yes.
is the admin.
Yes, it is.
admin of History Memes Nusantara, which is History Memes Nusantara on Instagram. Thank you very much for coming in.
You're welcome. Okay.
Okay, so today we're going to dive into a very important topic, which is history in digital age.
Story in digital age.
Yes.
What
Okay,
interesting
so-
topics.
First of all, our understanding of history is, first of all, is from the classroom, right? The
Yes, of
first
course.
experience of history.
Yes, it is.
And people say that this is so boring. History is so boring, and they memorize some of that stuff on textbook. Is it true?
Yes, of course, it's true, especially in our country, Indonesia, because that teacher in the class of history education that average of them just telling the story without asking something to the children.
Okay.
That's why. And if there's no question, just listening to the teacher, the education will be boring.
Yes.
Will be not. Some children will maybe will wondering, what happened in the past, what happened in that time. They couldn't ask because the teacher doesn't want to be asked.
Okay.
That's the wrong one.
Because I've seen there is, I think, one article which there is one lecturer from university that says that this is the problem in our history education. I
Yes,
think
of
the history
course.
is boring. But your channel, your Instagram page, is they had a lot of followers. You had a lot of
Of
followers. You
course,
have
yes.
700 followers.
700.
So, what is the difference between your approach and the textbook approach?
Okay, listen. The difference is I make the memes for education of history.
Yes.
And in the classroom, it's just the history education itself without a meme. I don't know. It's
Well, of course, it's textbook history. There's no
yes,
meaning.
of course it is. There's no meme in the classroom unless the teacher making the meme or something. Yeah, we don't
Yeah.
know that. Okay.
Yeah, they can add some comedic element to
Yes,
it.
of course.
Yes. So your success in making history content, but in the rise of history content like you, there is also some few bad apples. There is some kind of like conspiratorial history page
It's very
which says,
ridiculous.
just for instance, yesterday I saw a YouTube video
Yes.
that talks about Borobudur being King Solomon's kingdom, part of King Solomon kingdom. What do you think about that trend? Is it dangerous?
Very dangerous, I think.
But they got a lot of views. They got a lot of 4 million views, I believe.
That's more dangerous of it.
That's yeah. Why is that?
So listen to me. Why it's dangerous? History is being history if it has a proof of it.
Yes.
It
And they had no proof.
had no proof at all. What you say? Prophet Solomon had a kingdom in Borobudur, Indonesia. What the proof of that? In Quran doesn't say that. In Bible doesn't say that too. What is it? Like some ridiculous things. If you want to see the dangerous thing, it is an example of dangerous thing in history narrative.
Okay.
That's it.
So it is very dangerous. I agree with that. But how can you, as a history content, and we as a listener,
Okay.
can keep the digital historical literacy away from conspiracies and into true history, true history,
true history,
and
right.
but to keep them engaging and to keep them and to keep the true history content much more engaging. You know, they had more views because you know the Solomon's video had a lot more views.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, of
So
course, yes.
how do you make your content enjoyable and can basically
People are watching
yes,
me.
a lot of people
right?
watching you. Yes.
Yeah.
How do you make that?
Okay, as long as I know that I've built the meme that are their real story if Solomon's, for example,
Yes.
if Solomon's kingdom are in Borobudur, Indonesia, make a question first. Don't answer it.
Oh,
the first
okay.
of it. People will.
Where do you make it? In status?
Of course, in my account.
Okay.
Sometimes.
Yes.
Make it first,
Yes.
and so the reader, the audience will scroll it, will swipe it to the narration, narrative,
Yes.
narrative. So I will explain that where is it from, where is it conspiracy theory from,
Yes.
and I will tell them why this conspiracy is not having a proof at all,
Yes.
and I will tell them the truth is.
Okay. So
That's
you
it.
basically counter attack by
Yes, of
by
course.
posting another.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah. Yes, it is.
So I think that's a good way to make it. Okay. Thank you very much.
Right.
This is Ahmad Nugraha Ramadhani. You can follow him on Instagram at History Meme Nusantara, and see you guys next episodes. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you very much, everyone.